Welcome to the Middleby Marshall LongWave Cleaning and Maintenance Guide. In this video, we'll demonstrate the recommended daily and weekly cleaning procedures for the LongWave oven. Let's begin with some important safety information. Warning: before performing any cleaning or maintenance, read and understand all safety instructions provided in the LongWave owner's operating and installation manual. Always allow the oven to cool completely before cleaning. Daily cleaning. Begin by removing the extension tray from the side of the oven. Set it aside for cleaning. Next, carefully remove the heat curtain. The next step is to remove the crumb tray by sliding the tray out of the oven and dispose of any loose food debris. Set aside for cleaning. Use hot water, a mild detergent, and a soft cloth, sponge, or brush to thoroughly wash the extension tray to remove grease and food residue. Wash the heat curtain and crumb using the same steps to remove buildup. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and allow it to dry completely before reinstalling. Carefully remove any buildup from the interior surfaces and around the heating elements. Removing this buildup helps maintain consistent cooking performance and prepares the oven for the remaining cleaning steps. Next, use a wire or nylon brush to remove baked-on food particles from the conveyor belt. Work across the full width of the belt to remove debris and buildup. Once the debris has been loosened, use a vacuum with a soft brush attachment to remove crumbs and food particles from the cooking chamber. Using a clean towel and a general-purpose cleaner, wipe the front, sides, top, and all exterior stainless steel surfaces. Do not use a caustic oven cleaner, which can damage the oven. Now it is time to run the self-clean cycle. Self-clean mode can be initiated in two ways: under the Manager General settings, or using the Self-Clean button on your touchscreen. The oven will complete its 60-minute cleaning cycle, helping loosen grease and baked-on food residue throughout the cooking chamber. Once the cycle has finished, allow the oven to cool. Self-Clean mode can be used for daily and weekly cleanings. Weekly cleaning. Now it is time to clean the cooling fan filter. Lift the magnetic filter from the bottom of the front panel and wash it using warm water and a mild detergent. Rinse thoroughly and allow the filter to dry completely before reinstalling it. Keeping the cooling fan filter clean helps maintain proper airflow and protects the oven's internal electrical components. Consistent daily and weekly cleanings are one of the most important steps in maintaining your Middleby Marshall LongWave oven. By following these recommended maintenance procedures, you'll help ensure reliable performance, consistent cooking results, improved efficiency, and a longer service life for your equipment. Thank you for watching.